This is how much Ripple XRP you need to become a millionaire. All you need is a small amount of money to become a millionaire by trading XRP. Do you know the amount of money you need to turn into a millionaire? All you need is actually just a very small amount compared to the amount that you will end up making. However, how small are we talking about? Make sure to keep on watching to learn more about it. Welcome back, XRP Army. This is the XRP place to be, to keep you informed on all XRP and Ripple updates. Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribing to our channel. And let us know in the comments below if you think XRP will go to the moon. Let us now get started with today's video. In fact, you do not need a huge amount of money, especially if you've been looking forward to getting rich through XRP. We will be able to see the price is going really high through the updates that we will be seeing. There will be a lot of new additions into cryptocurrency that will push the prices to levels that we could never imagine it to go. The technology being used by XRP is really significant. The only thing that seems to be holding them back in terms of their price drop is the case that's been running against the SEC. In fact, the case as well seems to be going in favor of the coin, which means that we will see a positive price action as soon as the case comes to an end. Before we speak any further about the coin, allow us to mention that this video is not meant to be financial advice. Anything being mentioned here is to be taken as part of an entertainment or an educational video. It's very important for viewers to conduct their own due diligence before making any sort of financial decision. If not yourself, it's also advisable to consult your financial advisor for the best advice. Let us proceed further with today's video. It is a known fact that Ripple has been transferring a set amount of Ripple over time to the co-founder of Ripple, Jed McCaleb. This is being done as part of the agreement before they parted away when Ripple took over the coin and Jed decided to move on elsewhere. He was also restricted from selling over a particular amount of the coin in a manner that does not affect the price of the coin globally and does not make a measurable difference in the manner in which it's been performing. In fact, Jed now owns a very significant amount of coins. He could be one of the richest people in the entire crypto market, given the high number of coins he has. Many even claim that the selling that he constantly has been doing is also one of the reasons why the prices for XRP have been suppressed over time. This is a very vague argument because such price action is very unlikely to happen, meaning thereby that we will not be able to see a drastic effect of him selling the coins at a certain time, given that he's been following the agreement throughout the time. A lot of speculation has been around the topic about if the same will be able to make a significant change in the lives of the people who are holding of the coin. Given the fact that we are yet to see the case coming to an end, it may take a surprising turn at the end, which could mean a lot of different things for a lot of people. The price of XRP as of June 7, 2021 is $0.96 and is currently trading at increasing levels of trade volume at 3.17%. This means that even though there is a significant case going on, the coin has the capability to hold on to certain levels over time. This price, therefore, will certainly head over to the higher marks as soon as we see the case coming to an end. In the previous month, in April 14, 2021, we did see a rise in prices which touched $1.97. This perhaps has been the highest price that we saw in recent times. The growth at which it's been going through in recent times makes it possible for many people to invest a good amount of money into XRP and make a fair amount of money. This is given that the prices are close to touching the $1 mark. The lightning-fast confirmation that's received for each transaction is what makes the XRP much more efficient than others. This point perhaps is one of the most important functions that a coin could face in its lifetime. This makes the coin a very favorable one for transactions and other trades. Assuming that a person bought around $1,000 worth of XRP on the last day of the previous year, on December 31st, 2020, when the prices were at just $0.21 and had held that price through the first few months of 2021, while we're at the levels of almost touching the $1 mark in the current days, as of June 7, 2021, that investor would have increased their amount by almost 5 times. This assures the potential that this coin will have over time. The intrinsic value which the coin has in it has been clearly visible. An 11% upswing will help the coin in pushing it through the critical supply zone, and therefore help the coin in touching the $1.18 mark, which is another step closer to cross the $1 mark once again. the strength which it seems to be indicating positively about crossing the imperative milestone. It has been bouncing off the demand zone, which is one of the main reasons why we could see the coin making a move towards the higher side. Even though we did see a minor price drop in the previous days, the coin has been recovering at a much faster pace. Perhaps, if we see the prices going over the said $1.178 mark, we could also notice a new uptrend forming from that point, which will bring in further gains for all holders. The robust growth that we've been noticing in XRP will also increase multiple folds as soon as the case against SEC comes to a conclusion. Each win for XRP in the case is also affecting the growth of the coin in terms of its prices, which yet again is a positive sign to the potential outcome of the case. If the uptrend is likely to happen, we can be certain that we'll see the prices targeting at the $1.33 level. This is a much higher level to target, which could be accomplished following the current trend. After this will be the next level, which we think could be around the $1.6 mark. Let us talk about the other side as well. In case we do see a failure in meeting the demand level at $0.985, we could also see a minor fall in the prices, which we calculate could take the price down to $0.8 through a sell-off. Yet again, panic selling here could be one of the major disasters, so the investors need to be vigilant of the same and make sure they keep holding on to their wallets. The coin has proved that it is worth multiple times more than this in the past, despite the fact that it has not been able to perform at its best level and is in fact at a state of halt. As a matter of fact, there are now platforms on the internet that have started indicating and sending reminders to those who subscribe for free to remind them as soon as XRP gets listed on the famous platforms for trading. A lot of investors have also been noticing and claiming a multi-year head and shoulders formation to be a major reason for around 600% growth in the prices of the coin. This perhaps could be a major leap and may even be an overestimation of prices. The targets, therefore, may not be ideal for someone looking forward to a short-term profit. We think XRP is the perfect coin for the investor to hold on to for a longer duration of time. The best potential of the coin is yet to come, and an early entry will certainly see much higher gains by the end of the day. As the judge decided to disallow the petitioner, that is the SEC, from accessing the records of attorney-client communication, as it was demanded by the former, it was another bit of evidence of potential victory that could come out of the everlasting case between them. This means that we could certainly see anyone holding anywhere over $1,000 making a considerably huge amount of profit. However, a lot of it depends on when the person makes an entry into the market. In other words, the court acknowledges the secrecy that must be maintained in an attorney-client relationship, and thereby disallows the motion sought by them. Now, based on all that's been happening in recent times, do you think XRP will go to the moon? Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at XRP Lab.